Dear students, here we have the chapter HCF and LCM. So in this video, let's solve exercise 8b. Using the common factor method, find the HCF of the following. The first one we have 16 and 35. By using common factor method, we should find the HCF of 16 and 35. So let's write the solution. Solution. So the first step in finding common factor method is we should find first the factors of 16 and factors of 35. So let's first find all the possible factors of 16 and 35. Factors of 16: 1, 2, 4, 8 and 16. And factors of 35: 1, 5, 7 and 35. These are the factors of 16 and 35. Factors means you should write the numbers where it can divide 16 completely. And here you should write the numbers where it divides 35 completely. So after finding the factors, our second step is finding the common factors. So common factors between which number you need to find? That is 16 and 35. So what are the numbers which are common in 16 and 35? So let's circle them and let's write the common factors. So here we see number 1 is common in 16 and even in 35. 2, 4, 8, 16 are not present. So let's say that common factors between 16 and 35 is what? It is 1. So therefore our third step is HCF of 16 and 35 is 1. So by using common factor method, we have found that 1 is the HCF of 16 and 35. Moving to the second, number 2, we have the question 25 and 30. So let's write the solution and let's now find the factors of 25 and factors of 20. So let's see what are the factors of 25. 1, 5 and 25. And what are the factors of 20? That is 1, 2, 4, 5, 10 and 20. So this is our first step. So let's mark here the first step. So let's see what is our second step. Second step is finding the common factors between which number? The given numbers are 25 and 20. Between 25 and 20. So let's see which are the numbers are common in 25 and 20. So we see here we have number 1 and number 5 common in 25 and 20. So let's write here 1 and 5. So these are the common numbers we found. So let's write the third step. Therefore, HCF of, that is highest common factor of 25 and 20 is which number? 1 or 5, which is highest? 1 or 5, which is highest? 5. So HCF of 25 and 20 is equal to 5. Third question, 27 and 35. Let's find the HCF by using the common factor method. So let's write the solution. Solution. First let us find the factors of 27. So the factors of 27 are 1, 3, 9 and 27. We have the next 75. So let's find the factors of 75. 1, 3, 5, 15, 25 and 75. So we have found the factors of 27 and 75. So let's proceed for the second step, that is common factors between. Let's say what are the common factors between 27 and 25. Sorry, 27 and 75. So let's circle the common factors which are between 27 and 75. So here we see 1, 3 and we don't have any other numbers, so it is 1 and 3 are the common factors. Therefore, the third step is HCF of 27 and 75 is equal to, which is the number which is largest, 1 or 3? It is 3. So HCF of 27 and 75 equals to 3 is the HCF. Proceeding towards number 4, we have the question 8, 12 and 18. So here we see more than 2 numbers are given. So let's find the factors of 8, then factors of 12 and factors of 18. So factors of 8, it's our first step, then factors of 12 and factors of 18. So let's start factors of 8, 1, 2, 4 and 8. Then factors of 12, 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 12. Factors of 18, 1, 2, 3, 6, 9, 18. Therefore, let's do the second step, common factors. Therefore, what are our common factors of 8, 12 and 18? Let's write here common factors between 8, 12 and 18. So let's circle the common factors where we see they are common in 8, 12 and 18. So let's circle them. We see 1, then 2 and here 4 is not present, and only we see that 1 and 2 are the common factors between 8, 12 and 18. So therefore our third step is therefore HCF, that is highest common factor of 8, 12 and 18 is, can you guess? It is 2. So 2 is the HCF of 8, 12 and 18. So children, the third question is your homework. Homework of, you have the fifth question as your homework. 24, 36, 45 and 60. This is your fifth question and this is your homework. Let's move to the next one. Using prime factor method, find the HCF of 5 and 8. Once again, using the prime factor method, find the HCF of 5 and 8. As you know, we have done with common factor method. Let's move for the next one, that is finding HCF using prime factor method. So using prime factor method, let's find the HCF of 5 and 8. Let's write the solution. Solution. So, prime factor of 5. So, you need to write first the prime factors. Okay. Prime factors of 5 is equal to 5. What is the meaning of this prime factors of 5? So 5 is divisible only with 5. That is 1 and 5, that is 5. Prime factors of 5 is 5. So next let's write the prime factors of 8. So which are the prime factors of 8? So you know the 8 is divisible by 2, 4 and 8. In 2, 4, 8, which is the number? It is 2. If you divide 8, you can divide 8 by 2 4s are 8, 2 2s are 4 and 2 1s are 2. You see here the prime number is 2, which is dividing 8. So let's write here 2 into, let's write here 2 into 2 into 2. So we see 2 2s are is 4 and 4 2s are is 8. So the prime factors of 8 are 2 into 2 into 2. So let's see what is our third step. So let's go and write the third step, that is HCF of. So third step is HCF of 5 and 8. As we see here, no common prime factors are present when you see the number 5 and number 2. 5 and 2, there are no common factors present. So and children, as I said, the prime factors of 5 is 1. They are the co-prime numbers where you don't find the factors in 5 and 8. So the common factor is therefore HCF of 5 and 8 is equal to 1, as both the numbers are co-prime numbers. As this number and this number, they don't have any common factors, we should say they are the co-prime numbers and the HCF of such number is equal to 1. Remember, when the numbers are co-prime, the HCF will be 1. Let's move for the next one, HCF of 24 and 49. So let's see dividing 24, finding the HCF of 24 and finding the HCF of 49. So let's take 24 here. Let's divide. 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4. 2 6s are 12. 2 3s are 6 and 3 1s are 3. As you see, we have taken 2 and 3 to divide 24. Let's go for 49 and check. It is 7 7s are 49. 7 1s are is 7. So let's write here the solution and write the prime factors of 24 equal to 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. Next, prime factors of 49 equal to 7 into 7. Now observe here. To find the common factors, observe here and observe here. So, do you get any common factor? Any common numbers are present? No. They are co-prime numbers. So, co-prime, when the numbers are co-prime, what will be the HCF? HCF will be 1. Therefore, HCF of 24 and 49 is equal to 1. We have here number 3, 40, 60 and 80. So let's find the prime factor of 40, prime factor of 60 and prime factor of 80. So let's divide 40, 60 and 80. So this method is used to take out the prime numbers. So let's see, 2 20s is 40, 2 10s is 20, 2 5s is 10, 5 1s is 5, 2 30s is 60, 2 15s is 30, 3 5s is 15, 5 1s is 5, 2 40s is 80, 2 20s is 40, 2 10s is 20, 2 5s is 10, 5 1s is 5. So let's write here prime factors of 40. So what you can observe here, what are the prime factors of 40? 2 into 2 into 2 into 5. Let's move to the next one. So we need to take a least number and divide number. So as you observe here, so let's go for prime factors of 60. So observe here, what are the numbers? 2 into 2, 3 into 5. Next step, prime factors of which number? 80. Very good. So it is 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 5. So now what you need to write? What is the third step you need to remember? Let's see the common factors which are present here. So let's write the next step as common factors, that is common prime factor. Common prime factors present in 40, 60 and 80. Common prime factors of 40, 60 and 80. So let's see which are the common numbers. 2 is present. Let's circle, children. And then what do you observe? 3 is not present. That is 5 which is present. So the common factors are 2, and here again we find 2. Sorry. Okay. And 2 is missing. So here you see 2 into 2 into 5. So common factors are 2 into 2 into 5. That 2 times, okay, 2 is 2 times. That is 2 2s are 4, 4 5s is 20. So when you multiply this, what is the answer you get? It is 20. So HCF of, therefore, HCF of 40, 60 and 80 is which number? It is 20. So we have found the HCF by prime factor method. So let's go for the number 4. Let's divide here. Let's go for number 4, that is 48, 84 and 88. So let's divide the number by taking the smallest number, and let's divide the number. So we see here the smallest number we can take is number 2. 2 2s are 4, 2 4s are 8, that is 2 24s are is 48. Coming to 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 12s are 24, 2 6s are 12, 2 3s are 6 and 3 1s are 3. 2 4s are 8, 2 2s are 4, 2 2s are 4, 2 1s are 2, 3 7s is 21, 7 1s is 7. Here we say 44s are 22, 2 1s are 2 and 11 1s is 11. Now let's write the prime factors. Prime factors of which number? 48. So observe which are the prime factors of 48. 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. Then prime factors of which number? 84. That is 2 into 2 into 3 into 7. Prime factors of 88. So which are the numbers? 2 into 2 into 2 into 11. Now what is our next step? We should write the common factors, that is common prime factors present. So let's find out what are the common prime factors present. Common prime factors of 48, 84 and 88. So which are the common numbers present here? Let's circle 2 and once again 2 and oh no. So it is 2 into 2. What is 2 into 2? It is 4. Therefore, HCF of 48, 84 and 88 is number 4. So as you see here on top, I have given fifth one as your homework. So try to solve properly.